Okay, I don't know how to say this. Well, you know that I often use the time-lapse and fast-forward recording here to speed things up and so you don't have to see all those boring, lengthy manufacturing parts. Well, I did this outside of video this time. So the thing is now that for you, even if this video now comes a few days after the previous one, in reality it's been almost a month. I have been able to do several weeks amount of work while you have been just waiting a few days. And I now got a package. I think it's best to have a look here on what it looks like. Seems pretty well packed. What is this? Oh, handwritten notes, always nice. It's a bit different from. It's a bit different from the standard eBay seller. But I think so far it looks okay. This is heavy stuff. But they are really. This one runs very nicely, but this one. Yeah, okay. There is an oiler hose. There is an oiler hole in there. M18. So I think this might actually be larger than the standard. This can be the long, the 93. 70.5. And the whole distance 50. So 778 and M8. I know that is 50 right oil, it is 50. So it's 50 in that direction. And I think also then 50 that direction, yeah, 50-50. 71 and 93. This black surface here, that is something called a radiant treatment. It is mainly for rust prevention. Anyways, good. So the linear rails will be used in a new Z-axis for the milling machine. You can see them here. Here are the rails, the wagons under there. There will be a new plate here. I call that a Z plate. There will be a new top plate. The ball screw will be moved. And there are a lot of modifications really. But this is the overall picture. If we look from the top, then this is what it looks like. Here is the original Z-axis with those angled surfaces and all that. The gib go in there. But I keep every part here, so I will not kind of go wild with the angle grinder. The rails go on here, they go on top of the former sliding surfaces. There is a spacer bar needed. 50 millimeters is what I have measured. Then the wagon should go clear of that surface there. The Z-axis position that was former here somewhere, that is now put forward here, so it is in line with the wagons here. And looking at it from the top, where the motor for the X-axis will come. So there's a new top plate here, and there will be one of those standard BK15 bearing blocks. And my current rather big stepper motor will go on top here with our claw coupling. And here you can clearly see the spacer bars and the rails, how they fit together. So it all sticks up a bit here, because the rails are a bit longer than the top of the machine here. Yeah, and from the back it looks like this. So there is the nut holder for the ball screw nut that will be screwed on the back side of the Z plate, as I call it. Don't know really what to call it. So this is a set plate, and you can see there's a whole lot of holes here. And it will connect to the spindle head, the gear head. There is the alignment ring here, and there are 1, 2, 3 M14 screws there, and even one extra if needed. So I have that as an option to add one extra screw there. Yeah. And just a small detail here on the back of the set plate, there is a countersunk for the head here, so I don't need to go in there and hold the head for those screws. Yeah, let that sink in a bit, guys, here. How much work isn't this? Well, it is a lot of work here. Thank you for watching.